Made it out here to the range USI today. We're going to go ahead and sight in that brand new 22 we got, see exactly what we can do with the golden bullets as well as the CCI mini mags. Let's see what we can do. Let's get right into it.
This works better than that. Yes, it does. Because it extends. Which makes it heavier.
That's good. That's really good. That's really good. Check this out, guys. Happy. Honestly happy.
Quick question on the bolt gun. What's the question? You just you got to the barrel is like
That's good, dude. That's good. Totally good. Totally acceptable. Totally happy. 100% for the price paid, $129. I can't be more happy. I literally can't be more happy. This is good. Not a single hang up, not a single misfire, not a single anything, no problems of any sort. 129 bucks. I could not believe that. There's no air rifle out there that's like PCP based that's that cheap, and the PCP based air guns that are cheap don't run this good, like out the box for me.
Well, if you paid a gun for the back to it. That's a pretty sure.
This is really good. So far, I'm just loving it, literally loving it.
Yeah, no, that's normal. But
So we're just about to get to the 2-minute warning, guys. Seems like these CCI mini mags, not only are they super consistent, but they're also really accurate from what I can see right out of the gate. We move over to the Remington Golden Bullets, just throw a mag down range, right? See what we see.
2-minute warning, rifle range. You have 2 minutes to prepare for ceasefire.
Okay, 2-minute warning. We can get this done, guys. Remington Golden Bullets, hopefully be all right, good to go. Little tiny mag, right? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Gonna go 12 o'clock on the target. Actually 9 o'clock, because that's got less impacts. Okay, so I'm not down there yet, but that's equal or better than the previous CCI. So let's get our chamber flag in and get on down the road. All right, guys, so we got through 4 magazines, 2 different types of ammunition, and we're rocking and rolling out here at the 25-yard range. CCI mini mags, as well as Remington Golden Bullets. Super happy with the performance. I actually think the Golden Bullets may be better accuracy. That is good for me. For me and my skills, that's good. So CCI sight in, Golden Bullets done. All right, guys, we made it out here successfully to the US side range. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Concord, California. All right, guys, got the TM22 out here as well. I had good luck in the sight-in process with the Remington Golden Bullet, so we're gonna see if we can get more mag out of it. I got about 2 minutes left of squeezing mag out. Let's see what happens.